Hello, we're here at 3501 Sugarwood Court in Raleigh, North Carolina for the insured Jose Hernandez. Today we're going to be doing a repair test on this shingle here. What we can see here is major fracturing, most likely from wind damage. We're going to be repairing this shingle, and as we can see, the surrounding shingles have no major fracturing. They don't have any major degranulation. This is the perfect spot for a repair test. And we're going to be using the National Association of Forensic Engineers test for brittleness and repairability. All right. Already, just in the first nail, we can see matting being pulled up. Currently is only from the shingle we are repairing, but it is a sign that there's severe degradation underneath the shingles. Actually stops here to here. So this is our repair shingle, and this is number 4. Again, this is from the shingles above it. We do have more underlayment coming up with the nails. Just more and more underlayment coming up with these. Now, according to the official brittleness methodology testing, these shingles are supposed to be able to be lifted up to 45 degrees to allow the proper insert of nails so they are flat. But today we'll be avoiding that by using the approved roof snake tool. I don't know how easy it is to see on the camera, but every time I'm striking this, there's an absolute waterfall of granules falling. So we are done with the repair. So we can go through and double check the condition of the surrounding shingles. As we're looking through, we can see this one right here. This one here is starting to fracture along the crease line. So we have a single failure here. And here, again, along this shingle, we can see the same fracturing starting. And yet we have another failed shingle here. Let's see. 7. Number 8 looks okay. This one here, right along this line, again, we've got more fracturing. It's light, but it's beginning. And we definitely have another failed shingle here. Number 3 looks okay. Number 4 doesn't have a major fracture, but you can see right in this area here, it's starting to get some granule loss. This is where the roof snake had rested against it. Meaning we have another failed shingle here as we have an impact mark. They look pretty good along these. The bottom shingles are okay, but out of the surrounding 8 shingles, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 failures, meaning that this repair test is a failure.